If you're having a problem with your VS Code, you can print out things on your terminal, but you cannot input a value into the terminal. And for example, here, this is me trying to print out something on the terminal, and me printing out run is quite alright on the terminal. But if I should try to say, okay, I want to collect an input from a user, I cannot do that. So how do you fix this? So this is me trying to collect an input from a user. It's run quite alright, but I cannot really type in anything there to collect from the user. So how do we fix this? This is what I'm going to walk you through right now. And what you need to do is to go to your extension, because this is probably because you're using the code runner extension. So you need to go to the setting under this code runner extension. So stop your code if it's still running, then go to the setting under this code runner extension. Then you need to look for run using the terminal. So just look for this checkbox called run using the terminal, and then you have to tick it. So you can see this checkbox that says whether you want to run your code in the integrated terminal. Just check this box and your code will run quite alright when you're running it with Python. So let's run this again and let's see how it goes. Now you can see that we can now input in the terminal button. So that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Code with True. See you next time. Thank you.